Welcome to today's video, guys. We're starting off in Shibuya with the girls. We've got some new merch. Don't show them that sweater. Don't show them that. That's top secret Christmas stuff. We're working for the new drop. We're doing a photo shoot right now. Shibuya is like back and alive, man, after the pandemic. It's been insane. How you doing, Silvia? You guys remember Silvia?
Hello.
Silvia, Emi-chan, and Tomoya. Tomoya's our personal assistant. He's the PA for today. He's been helping out. Good times. We're about to hit the scramble. Always a good view there. Yo, there are so many new buildings at the crossing and TV screens since I last saw this place and showed you guys. On top of that building is where the soccer field is from Fast and Furious. Like this building here, you can go to the top of now and have yakiniku barbecue up there with the huge view. It's insane how much this place has changed. So cool. Top secret merch that may or may not be Christmas themed.
It's not Christmas themed.
Who is gonna wear that? That looks so painful. Man, if anyone brushed up again, oh, that is actually brilliant for COVID. So I guess they made this so that, you know, everyone stays a meter away from you. They can't come close to you. That's why, like, there's such a big thing around the head, I think.
And the body.
And the body. Would you wear that?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Keep people away.
Keep people away? Yeah, that's what I think that's for.
away.
Yeah, but what did you say before? I think I have footage of that. So now it's probably a good time to remind you guys, new drop this Friday, 4 p.m. EST. We've got a new Skyline hoodie design. We brought Ichigo Zoku shirts back. We brought the SR20 hoodies back. The Build a Dream hoodies are back. Lots of stuff. And shop banners, can't forget those. Friday, 4 p.m. EST, don't sleep, head to the website, sammit.net. Make sure you sign up to get the email the moment the stuff goes live so you don't miss out. So Shibuya is a pretty interesting place, right, Silvia?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know whose pants those are?
My pants.
Your pants? I love Shibuya. So time warping ahead, I've been flat out busy all day with all the merch stuff, getting everything ready for the online store and doing all that kind of business stuff behind the scenes. That's just not worth vlogging. But I wanted to stop by a friend's shop so you guys can remember where we are right now. We're at Maxorito's shop. But there's a little operation that happens under here, and that's my buddy Ryusei. And he's preparing right now to get to the D1 event at Minami for the final last D1 event at Minami course. And you guys know how much I love that course, how much it means to me, the fact that I was able to level up and work my way up to jumping Minami and everything. And unfortunately, at the end of this month, it is closing. It's kind of being renovated / rebuilt and redesigned into more of a rally themed track. So it's not going to be anything like it is now. The layout itself is supposed to stay the same, but the whole surfacing and stuff is getting completely ripped up and changed. But anyways, that aside, we're here to check out what the guys are up to, and for Ryusei to show us his car. He debuted at Okui Ibuki, which is the first time he was able to drive the car. Still had a lot of problems and stuff like that. Now they've got everything dialed in and finished, and he's going to be having, I guess you could kind of say, like his first big debut at Minami course, which is his personal favorite and the one that he performs the best on. So anyways, enough said, let's go check out his car and see what the team's up to. You excited, Ryusei?
Yes, of course, yeah.
They're about to do an engine check and start everything up, so we get to listen to this thing roar to life. Jeez, that fuel pump sounds aggressive. Yo! 2JZ! so good. Man, I cannot wait to see him kill it this weekend. So Ryusei's got some time now. How you doing, buddy?
I was quite busy.
Quite busy today?
Yeah.
So tell us, last time we saw your car, it was in a complete, like, way different. Wasn't ready, wasn't built whatsoever. And now it's ready for you to go to Minami tomorrow and start practicing for this weekend's competition. So why don't you take us through your car, tell us a little bit about like what engine you've got and any of the specs and that kind of stuff, things you like about your machine, that kind of thing.
So basically we built this for D1 Grand Prix. We didn't have a big budget, so we keep save money to build this stuff. And finally we did it. But we still want to do a lot of stuff, like, because actually we want some more big turbo, and also we want to put some GT wings and some lip spoilers. And I want to learn 285s, so I gotta make more heavy.
Yeah, so you got to add weight. Yeah.
But this time we didn't have the time, and our support from tire is 265, so we're gonna go with 265 for this Ebisu.
Nice.
Should be fine though.
I think you'll be fine. You kill it at Ebisu, so you'll do well. So if you guys don't know, Ryusei is 26 years old. He's one of the youngest drivers for for D1GP. But this thing is like, I guess you always are used to driving S chassis, right?
Yes.
And this is the first one that you've had that's at this level.
Yep.
It's running roughly around like what, 750 horsepower maybe?
Maybe, yes.
Yeah.
We didn't put dyno yet. So.
Oh, you just street tuned?
Just-
Well, not street tuned, track
Yeah,
tuned.
just a Nico.
Nico?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. So yeah, I guess, is this build like kind of, would you say it's a budget D1 car? Like budget, like, you know, you didn't spend too much money, you just spent what you had to?
Well, yeah, we didn't spend too much money, but we spent a lot of time to build. And yeah, because we did it like after work and stuff.
Yeah, so a lot of support from...
It took like 2 years now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Worth it though, right?
Yeah, but yeah, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
So why don't you tell me, what kind of engine have you got here?
So I'm using 2JZ because that's the strongest engine I had, and it's easy to get some blocks and head because I'm living in Japan.
Weird flex, but okay, bro. Make it salty as.
But yeah.
So standard 3 liter or 3.1?
3.1.
3.1.
J pistons.
Nice.
And
What crank do you use?
crank stock.
Stock crank.
Yeah.
Okay, so just rods and pistons to bring it to 3.1.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Turbo.
Turbo is G35.
G35.
Which is, I can't tell.
Okay.
Because, yeah, I want to use GCGs, but cut it.
Okay. So he's got a G35 turbo.
But this is really cheap and still testing it. Yeah, it looks okay.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, if it works right now and it's in your budget, that's good, right?
Yes.
Plasma Man, Australian made intake manifold. Nice.
Australians.
You got some nice injectors there.
Yes, it's from Otaku Garage.
Where?
Otaku Garage
Ooh.
from Australia.
That's good to know. Nice little plug there. Oh, nice. So Valino tires.
Yes.
That's what you're running.
Running 265s.
265 front and rear.
Yes.
18s.
18s.
Nice.
Last time we had 235, but yeah, I want more.
More grip in the front. Yeah, you definitely need it.
We changed it from this time.
So tell us a little bit about the number 6.9. Because in Australia and the USA, 6.9 kind of means something else, right?
Oh, in Japan we lock
Lock.
Because this is number of
Yep.
6 is roku
Yep.
in Japanese, and 9 is Q.
Yep.
That's what we call. So lock.
So locked.
Yes.
Okay.
Lock.
Oh, dude, this looks so nice. Like all the roll cage, the roll bars, everything looks so well put together. You're another Australian pot, PWR.
Yes.
I love those guys. They did the radiator for my S15 too.
This is really awesome and looks so strong. So.
Yeah, PWR makes some of the best cooling stuff I've ever seen, to be honest. So fuel pump, fuel filter.
It's what's it? Radon.
Nice. And you got a nice fuel safe fuel cell there, made in the USA. Turbo Smart fuel pressure regulator. Ah, and I noticed that the fuel system you used is not the return kind. So the fuel rail only has one fuel line going to it. Not like 3, right? Yeah. So the full line is pressurized.
Yes.
Super cool. You don't see many people do that. And I think that's awesome to have that on a 1JZ. It's a very efficient, quick, easy way to do it because you only have one line coming.
And it's simple, right?
Yeah, simple. Especially if you have any problems, it's easy to fix. Looks good, dude. You excited to drive this weekend?
Yes.
You nervous?
Can't wait.
ドキドキする?
ちょっとね。
ちょっと? He's a little nervous. That's good though.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Do you want to show me anything on the inside? So,
Not really special. But
Nothing special.
We have some made tunnel because it's really easy to remove the gearboxes.
so TTI, sequential.
Yeah, 5th speed from,
5 speed?
from New
Nice.
Zealand.
That's so cool.
And Link ECU G4X.
Nice. Fury.
Yes, Fury from New Zealand. Yes.
There's a lot of stuff here. There's Australian stuff, American stuff, New Zealander stuff. Love it. Looks like he's got a full tilt-in pedal setup with the relocated reservoirs up there. Aim dash. Of course, the bride seats.
I got this roof.
Oh, carbon roof?
From
Nice.
Koji Yamaguchi from G Meister.
Oh, that's cool.
The one he flipped a couple years ago.
Oh,
And
really?
Yeah.
And the roof was okay?
And we fixed it.
Really, a budget D1 car. I love it. Doesn't even have a dash, just using the VAR. It looks simple, but it's so beautiful. Like, I love this. Super cool.
Also, I got carbon dash from Kazama Auto.
Oh, okay, cool. So that's going in there. Oh, over here? Nice.
Also, I got it from Kazama-san.
Okay.
And there was the one Suenaga-san flip in West.
Oh.
15. Like,
That car? That was like last year, right?
yeah. Got it from there.
So he's just been calling all the shops like in Japan. Hey, you got a crash car I can take parts from? I love it. Oh, this is your hood?
Yes.
Dude, that's cool. I love the aluminium vents. かっこいい.
BN Sports.
It's really sharp.
Yeah.
Knife need to do that. Very cool. Oh, there it is. Taki Garage. Looking good. Love it. Dude, I am so hyped for you. I want to see you fully send it at Minami, okay?
I'm gonna send it.
Yeah, send it. Just not in the wall. But if you hit the wall, that's okay. I don't mind because it still looks cool.
I don't mind too. Because I'm gonna fix it.
All right, buddy. Well, I hope you qualify. I hope you place top 8. I hope you kill it. Get a podium. Do you. Yes. And guys, he has a YouTube channel. He just started. Go give him some love and support. And also go give him support in the live chat when you see him competing this weekend. He is one of the sickest guys. And yeah, the fact that he just this is game night right now. Like you have to go pick up the loader, take the car to Ebisu tonight, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's the time now?
It's 10 p.m.
Only 10. Yeah.
It's only 10. Okay, I like your attitude. All right, go kill it, man, this weekend, all right?
I'm gonna kill it.
All right, go kill it. We'll catch up with him after. See you, dude.
See you.
Bye, Ryusei.
Bye, Samit.
Such a rad dude, and I'm gonna have his channel link and stuff down in the description below, as well as if you guys want any of the knuckles that he makes, reverse knuckles, I'm gonna have a link to his website in the description. I really want to see as many of you guys supporting what he does and those knuckles and things like that, because I mean, ultimately it's so hard to get that stuff out of Japan, and he's offering that service and things, as well as he needs all the support he can just so he can keep funding his D1 career. Right now, obviously, he hasn't really had any results in D1GP yet, so at this stage it is very, very difficult for drivers to get big sponsorships and any kind of financial support from companies. So he is literally relying on nothing but his own hard work and his own business to get himself to where he is today. And as you guys can see, it took them 2 years to build that, and I just think it's super inspiring. The dude's 26 years old, and I know he's going to send it, and the only thing that's going to stop him from like performing really well, and in my opinion getting like top 8 and even podium, is straight up just either car problems or something in that area that he just doesn't have the money to finance. So if anyone and all of us can help him out there a little bit, I think that'll be awesome, and he'll appreciate any kind of support you guys put there in the chat and stuff like that. Just got home, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know a little bit chaotic and all over the place, but still I hope you enjoyed a little bit of behind the scenes of what goes into the photo shoots and stuff like that for the merch shop, being able to see Shibuya and kind of all that kind of stuff that was going down, and then being able to catch up with my friend Ryusei and see where his D1GP S15 is at. Just kind of encourage and hype him up as well for the competition this weekend. I'm pretty excited to see how he goes. But anyways, that aside guys, don't forget the merch is coming this Friday, 4 p.m. EST. The countdown is on the website on the homepage. Don't sleep, and on all the other socials, those photos that we took today, and also a nice video will be coming, so keep an eye out for that stuff as well. Definitely a good time to think about gifts for Christmas and all that kind of stuff, and yeah, don't sleep. That's all I want to say. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one guys. Peace. Jamata.